So guys, for you to be able to do a video like this, just come with a pef. It can be anything you can spray. So just come with it, and then you do your first video by standing at one part of your phone like this. Stand at one side of your phone like this, don't stand at the middle, one part like this. Open the pef and start doing as if you are spraying it. So this is my level. I'm the one acting the both character. So this is my level. So I know I'm going to start spraying from here. Do you understand? I'm going to start spraying from here like this. So I'll just be spraying it. You just do it gently. Spray, 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 spray it. You keep spraying, then bend down. Guys, did you see this? Like this. So now that you are done like this, that is all for this first character. So you do another video of you standing at the other side of your phone, and you are just there. You are just there, kind of shaking your body a bit. Just there. You are not doing anything. You are just there. And after doing this, the next thing to do is to go to Capcut and do the final editing. That is all. Ready? Let's go there. Let's go there. So guys, you're going to click on the Capcut app. Click on it. Then click on new project. So we are going to import the first video I did when I was spraying the pef. So I'll click on it. Then click on add. So guys, this is the video when I was spraying the pef, the first character. So after you finish importing this first character, you click on overlay, then click on add overlay, click on the other character when I was standing at the opposite side, the other side. So just click on it and then click on add. So always remember that you are supposed to resize this overlay so that it will be equal with the first one. So use your both finger to resize it. And after doing this, we are going to remove the background of this overlay. This second one, you are going to remove the background. So swipe to your right hand side and click on remove BG. BG stands for background. So after clicking on that, then you click on auto remover. Please make sure you are clicking on the second one, that is the overlaid video. Then click on auto remover and you just wait for it to apply. Please just wait for it to finish applying. As you can see, it's already going around. So once that white finish going around, it will remove. So guys, you see that background removed. So we are finished removing this background. And the next thing we are going to do now is, then you can always shift this one to be closer to your hand. It should not be too far. So something like this is okay. Did you see that? So you can, because if it's too far, it's somehow, so you can shift it to be somehow close to your hand. Do you understand? So let me play this for us to see. Okay, I think it's perfect like this. It's okay like this. So it should not be too close, it should not be too far. So guys, after doing this, the next thing you need to do now is, please make sure you are clicking on the overlay video and then swipe to your right hand side and search for mask. Search for mask. So this is mask. Click on mask and then we're going to click on horizontal. So guys, this is the horizontal line. So just take it up, take it up, take it up like this. So after doing that, this is where the work lies now. So you click on keyframe. We're going to use keyframe for this. So click on keyframe and then you start shifting this line, like you shift it. You are still going to work with the mask. Make sure the line of the mask is still there. So you shift it and then you bring the mask a bit down, the horizontal line a bit down. So you shift the video, just shift the video. You are working with your hands direction. Shift the video and then bring down this horizontal line. Bring it down. Guys, are you seeing that? So shift the video again. The keyframe will automatically enter. Shift the video again. Shift it in your hand, move. Okay, then you also shift it to the direction of your hands. Guys, are you seeing that? Then you shift the video again. Shift it again. Okay, then you shift this horizontal line. You just put your hand on the screen and then shift it down. Shift the video again and then bring the horizontal line down. shift the video again like this, bring the horizontal line down just a little, then shift the video again and bring the horizontal line down. So you have to be careful when doing this so that your video will come out perfect. So shift the video again and then bring the horizontal line down. So you just leave it where your hand is, then shift the video again, bring the horizontal line down, then shift the video again, bring the horizontal line down to your hand where your hand is, then shift the video again and bring the horizontal line down, shift the video again and bring the horizontal line down, shift the video again and bring the horizontal line down. Guys, did you see that? Did you see that? So this is it. This is it. Okay. So let me play it. Let's review it. So guys, take a look at this. Is this not beautiful to watch? Just follow the step I gave you. You will get it. It's very, very easy. These tutorials, they are not difficult. Just follow the steps and you'll be able to get it. So guys, this is it for this video. I hope you have been able to learn something new in this video. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate you. So guys, that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support. Please keep supporting me by liking my video, watching it, commenting, sharing. Keep supporting me, guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.